What up, people? Rishabh here, and welcome back to part 2 of the PC case front mod video. Alright, just a quick recap for part 1. All we did in part 1 was I ordered this custom mount for the front drive base. I installed this in the front in the first video. It was a bit of a work. I had to drill through the sides and all, and I also put this front plate over here. So yeah, that was part of the first video. Now for the part 2, I have ordered these amazing Esports Auto RGB Superflow 120 fans. Now one of this bad boy cost me just about 500 rupees, so I got all three just for 1500 rupees, which in my opinion is an amazing price for something of such good quality. I have made a separate video of just unboxing this amazing fan and showing you my first impressions. I would link that video somewhere right here. Alright, so moving on, I've also ordered two dust filters for 120 fans. I got these from Amazon. It's an off-brand kind of product. It says VIP gadgets, innovative implementations on this thing. It just came in this pack. Well, we don't need these to be high quality. We just need any dust filters, right? So I'm gonna put one over here and one over here. Alright, so we have our work laid out for us. Let's get right into it. Okay, so even though I have already done the unboxing in another video, I'll still open it for you guys and in case you haven't checked out the other one. So inside the box you get this little pack. It has four screws, four black screws for the fan. These are called self-threading screws if I'm not mistaken. And inside the box you also get the actual fan, obviously. It has a cool looking design on the wings, and yeah, it's RGB on both sides. It's auto RGB, so mind that. It has extra connectors for connecting more fans to the same Molex connector. That's really amazing. And it also has shock absorbing pads on all four sides. Love it. Alright, so I have installed all three of these RGB fans. There's one at the back, this pushes the air out, while there's two at the front, which pulls the air in. I had a bit of difficulty while fitting this one because obviously it is fit on this custom vent mount, custom drive bay mount. But nevertheless, I moved the holes around a bit and yep, I was able to fit it in. Alright, so now I'll try and put these metal dust filters on. The lower one fit perfectly, like it went on this thing and it seemed like it belonged there, right? But I ran into trouble while putting this on this one. Can you guess why? I mean, it was right there. It was right there. It is so obvious, and my dumb ass couldn't figure it out. All right, so the answer is this thing is plastic. Yep, I know it's super crazy. But since it's plastic, this magnetic dust filter isn't staying on this thing, and that's gonna be a lot of trouble. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to return these two and get the ones that are not magnetic and the ones that screw on. That's what I'm gonna do. But the lower one looks so good, man. I wish I could just return one and keep this one. But alright, for now let's not put any of these dust filters and power up the system. Let's see how it looks and jump to the montage. Alright guys, are you ready? This is the moment of truth. I am gonna power on the system and we'll see if the fans are actually working and how do they look. So let's go. 3, 2, one, hit it. Ooh. Oh my freaking goodness.
Oh my god, look at this.
All right, so that was it for the part two of PCK's front panel mod. As you can see, this is the finished product. Hope you like the montage that I made. I'm still learning how to make montages. Other than that, there's just part three left where we finally finish the front look, and I'm super excited for that as well. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, guys, namaste.